Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix allow access to camera missing on iPhone apps. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. So first of all guys, just simply have to open the settings, and let me tell you that if you want to turn on lock camera access for the apps and it's not working, here you can see here guys the camera you can see. So you can use these, allow this app to access your camera. If the camera is missing, then you can fix it very easily. You can see here guys the camera option is not showing for here. So go back, and now let me go to another app. Like I'm going to open Facebook. So you can see here guys the camera is also missing from here. So guys, if the camera is missing for the apps, just simply have to close this page and just simply have to open the settings, and then scroll it down and locate for the screen time, and from here guys scroll it down, then go to content and privacy restrictions. If this is turned on, just simply have to go to allow apps and features, and make sure that if you have turned on camera from here. Okay guys, if you have turned off camera, just simply have to turn this on and then go back. And now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go back again and then close this page, and just simply have to go to the settings app and then scroll it down. And from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go to the privacy. So let me go to the privacy. From here guys, you can easily find privacy and security, and now from here guys you can find the apps. So let me go to one of the apps. Like you can find here guys camera, tap on that. So you can see here guys, just simply have to make sure that if you have turned on the camera access for the app, if the camera access not showing for specific app, just simply have to turn it on from here, and you can easily fix your issue. So you can see here guys, so just simply have to turn this on and then restart your device, and after that guys your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.